Hey there, it's Roland at YouCanTube. By now you should probably have started your YouTube account. You'll have it all set up. Now you probably want to get started making videos. First of all, if you're serious, you got to be thinking long term. Don't think you're going to have instant success right out of the gate. Think long term. It could take a year, it could take 2 years, it could take 3 years. You just got to keep working away at it. Everybody's growth is different. Like on my other channel, Getting It Done North of 7, I think it's been 9 months now, and I haven't reached my 1,000 subscribers yet. But I've seen other channels, like some good friends of mine, they're almost at 4,000 subscribers in the exact same amount of time. But first of all, I'd just like to tell you, don't get hung up on the numbers. Yes, we all want to have success, but don't get hung up on the numbers. Just keep plugging away at your videos, keep learning to improve. Get comfortable in front of the camera, get comfortable in editing your videos. Improve on editing your videos. And there's a couple types of videos you can do. You can do vlogging. Vlogging. What is vlogging? Vlogging is like lifestyle kind of videos. It could be travel videos, you know, it could be like what I'm doing on my other channel, where I'm doing a little bit of everything. Gardening, I'm doing cooking, I'm doing ATV, motorcycle repair, home repairs, I'm doing outdoor things like firewood, just a mixed match of things. And then there's the how-to videos. That's another type of videos you can do, where you're teaching people things. You may focus on one niche, and normally those types of videos, your channel will grow faster. But here's the difference, is say you're doing how-to videos. You're teaching people things. Those videos are going to get lots of views over a way longer period of time on YouTube, because people will be searching how to do whatever you're teaching them how to do. And they're going to be looking for that for years. Versus vlogging, where people are just doing their everyday life kind of thing and sharing that with the world. Those videos don't normally have much of a shelf life to them, like maybe a week, if that. And you'll see like a lot of vloggers will have like a whole bunch of views. When they first publish that video, they'll get thousands and thousands and thousands of views. Now these are big YouTubers, right? Very successful YouTube channels. They get thousands of views. But then after a week, that's about it. Nobody goes back and looks at those videos a lot. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's just their style. But if you have like how-to videos, you'll see that those videos don't get so much views right out of the gate. They gradually get momentum and they grow slowly. But in the long run, they will probably outproduce the vlogging types of videos. So like this channel here is about how-to, right? How to do YouTube, how to make videos, that sort of thing. I've got a very narrow niche. And there's a lot of competition in this niche too, so I don't expect a large growth, but I don't care. I'm in no hurry. I'm not going anywhere. I hope. But my other channel, Getting It Done North of 7, that's growing slowly too, but I got it sprinkled in there. How-to videos, I got vlogging type videos. I got a little bit of everything because I don't want to get bored with my channel. I don't want to get bored with making videos, doing YouTube, so I just do a little bit of everything, and it makes me happy. First and foremost, you got to make yourself happy. You got to be happy for what you do, what you're making videos about, the topics. You don't want to get bored, you don't want to get burnt out, and that's why I do a little bit of everything. And I used to put these types of videos on that channel, but I thought that I would create a separate channel just for those videos entirely. But the most important thing I want to impose on you is don't be in a rush. Don't think you're going to, after a few months, you're just going to have all this success and you're going to be making all kinds of money on AdSense, because normally it doesn't work that way. Maybe 1% of YouTubers get lucky and they do very well in the beginning. Think of it like this right here. We built this firewood shelter back in the spring, early summer, and I'm stacking my wood in here. This wood is for not this winter, but the winter after. And I've got 3 more rows, 3 bush cords of wood over there that have to be piled in here. I don't expect to have this all that wood piled in here in 2 or 3 days or a week. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time, here and there, and it'll fill up. You got to think of your YouTube channel just the same way. Just do a little bit here, a little bit there, keep the momentum going, stay steady at it, but don't expect to have success right out of the gate. Okay, maybe you haven't done your first video yet. Now is the time to get started. And you don't need any fancy equipment. All you need is your phone, maybe a tripod. You need video editing software, and it's that simple. You just get started. Turn your phone on, point it at yourself, and just start talking. Start doing videos about whatever it is you want to do. I hope this helps you, get you in the right mindset for YouTube and making videos, and get you in the right frame of mind of what to expect. With that, go ahead, get started, get that first video out. Maybe you already started. Improve on what you've already started, and have fun. Most of all, have fun with it. And if you want to learn more, I'm going to have more videos coming out real soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them the best I can. With that, I wish you the best of luck. We'll see you on the next video.